Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to view your old posts on Facebook. So let's get started. It's actually very simple. The first thing you want to do is you want to click on the search bar right here. So now you just want to search up yourself or your account. From here, you're going to click on posts. Then as you can see, it says there are no results, and that's because I obviously do not have any posts on this account. But anyway, you're gonna click on this date posted option here, and then you're just going to choose the year when you started posting on Facebook. Then you should be able to see your oldest posts. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.